Running out of mobile data but still want to share internet with other devices? Fortunately, you can also share your Wi-Fi connection through Hotspot. On Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a feature called Wi-Fi sharing. When it's enabled, your phone becomes a repeater, receiving Wi-Fi and sharing it again. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon, tap Connection, tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, tap Mobile Hotspot, tap your network name, then go to Advanced, scroll down the screen, next enable Wi-Fi sharing, and then tap Save. As a note, Wi-Fi sharing option will stay on automatically if auto hotspot is enabled. With this setup, now your hotspot can forward both mobile data and Wi-Fi network to other devices. It's useful at cafes, hotels, or when your family needs internet and you want to save data. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.